We are in New York and guess who's with me? Taapsee.
Hi.
How's New York treating you?
New York is like another version of Bombay.
Right. Absolutely.
With the madness, the chaos,
the
and
energy,
food, the different cuisines. So I love shopping. So shopping and food is my agenda.
Right. So what have you shopped? Where have you eaten?
I have eaten every time. Actually this time, because we were almost busy, every meal time it was almost like you have to get ready, so just pack something, get home. But usually whenever I visit New York, it's always about not repeating a restaurant.
Wow.
So I try to breakfast at a different place, lunch at a different place, and dinner at a different place.
How cool.
I've never repeated a restaurant in New York.
Is it one of your favorite cities?
In terms of food and shopping, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Taapsee, I've been following you on Instagram quite a bit. For the past 6 months, where all have you traveled? Because you've put up pictures and we feel like, wow, yeah.
Thanks to Judwaa, I had a lot of time in between the schedules, because usually I do like two to three films back to back, and this time what has happened is because of Judwaa, I only gave Judwaa the dates from April to September, that you make the film, because they had a release date planned, so you release. I'm not going to take up anything else. So I decided I'm going to make use of the summer, go to Scandinavia, because I can't handle cold. So I need to visit that place during summers. So I decided Norway. I went to Norway. I said it's okay if I don't see northern lights, because that happens during October. I don't want to just freeze there. So I went there, Norway, like for 3.5-4 days, and I had an amazing time. Like how much salmon I've had in those 3-4 days is like insane. I think I've had like maximum quantity of salmon in my stomach in these 3-4 days than anybody else.
What fun! Are you a solo traveler? Would you?
Yeah. I don't mind traveling solo, because I have such, like, I have my this app with my phone where it says you can visit a city, and it plans you. It tells you tell how many days are going to be there, and it helps you plan what all you need to see if you're there for 3 days, 4 days, week. How you can plan up those days in terms of what all you can see in the city. So in between that, obviously you can choose restaurants, and I have like really apart from social media, the apps that are there on my phone are travel apps and food apps, because everywhere you go there's a different app that tells you which are the restaurants around, what all you can eat, what cuisine. So wherever you are, you can just say, okay, let's see nearby restaurants. So I have those apps, so I make full use of them.
So what was the last solo trip that you really enjoyed?
Norway.
Norway was your solo trip? You went by yourself?
By myself,
So you land and just figure out where to stay? You just like completely
I planned it before, like where to stay, because I'm gonna say one thing is that I don't care about how big or small the hotel is, but it has to be in the city center, because I need to access the trains, the trams, because I don't travel using cabs when I go out, because I really want to travel the local way. So I take those local passes. So I took that Oslo visitors pass, which had like you could use all the local transport under that pass. So I make sure I get such passes and all.
Do you use New York Metro as well?
Yes, I have a card.
Oh, you have a card?
Yeah.
Is this something that you miss in Mumbai, that you wish you could take public transport and you could just go around at whatever hour?
To begin with, in public transport or any transport, I miss good roads in Mumbai. That's one thing I really miss.
A big complaint from all of us. That's so true. Anyway, you and IIFA, tell me, how's it? Who all have you met? Is it like, it looks like you guys are having a lot of fun?
I've met, most of them actually, whoever's here. I think because it's good. That's why I like, that's why I chose this over any other award that happened this year. Didn't attend any of them, and in fact this is my first IIFA also. So I like the idea when all of us are just exported to one place, and you like it or no, you have to stay there for a couple of days.
Amazing,
so you will have to bump into each other. So I like this whole concept, is why I chose to be here.
Great. And just before we go, Judwaa, your Judwaa co-star is here, Varun Dhawan. Any plans with him?
Any plans with him? No, I've met him already a couple of times. Bumped into him with when we are doing a couple of events. But I'm looking forward to him performing, because he's performing on our song, which are going to be in Judwaa too. So I'm excited to see him perform.
Nice. So you and I have done this interview with NDTV before also, and you have said about Judwaa, but still we are close to the release, getting closer. What do you want to tell them?
Please look forward to a new Taapsee. Don't get shocked. Please get surprised. So I'm looking forward to your response. I think it's going to be soon in August that you'll see the theatrical trailer, and be ready for a musical riot. The songs are insane.
Great. Taapsee, thank you. Have a good stay in New York.
Thank you.
So much.